Hello everybody, my name is Anna, and today I'm going to shortly walk you through the master program in quantitative economics. So, around 2 years ago, when choosing a master program to apply for, one of my best friends, who was studying here in Tartu, on that particular program at that time, strongly suggested to apply for it. And of course, I started to ask a million questions to him, trying to get as much information about this program as possible. But my very first question was, that many of you may also have right now, what does the term quantitative stand for when we are talking about economics? Does it mean that we are counting something here? Well, partially yes. It appears that students on this program are mostly dealing with real-life economic problems, trying to understand or predict economic behavior or events through the use of mathematical measurements, statistical and econometrical modeling, and research. For example, to measure what's the impact of some economic policy, to quantify what's the real impact in numbers. Sounds interesting, right? But does it mean that we don't study any economic theories at all? No, we do, and we do a lot. We study many interesting subjects that help me to develop my analytical skills and to gain main concepts in economics. As you can guess, my friend convinced me, and I chose this program because it was somewhat more practical than many other programs that I've checked before. Quantitative economics is quite a new program, only a couple of years old, but I should say that it develops and is more tailored every year. But from the very beginning, this program has a clear objective to prepare highly qualified analysts for government agencies, international organizations, banks, consultancy firms, and of course for PhD programs in economics. Now, what about experience? How you can apply your knowledge in practice during your studies? Here you have many opportunities. For example, you can participate in the project of our faculty, like I did myself last semester. The project was about writing a research paper on the topic of convergence process in Central and Eastern European countries, where I had mostly to do empirical part with all the calculations. And the topic was so involving and interesting that I decided to write my master's thesis on this particular topic later. And I'm currently doing this. And I can say that the experience that I have gained from this project helps me a lot in this case. What else? What else you can do to practice? You can do your practical trainings in different institutions like ministries, Central Bank of Estonia, etc. You can also work as a teaching assistant in our faculty, rather in the second year of your studies. At the end, I want to say that being a master's student of this program, you can benefit from numerous challenging career opportunities. As for my future plans, I'm going to work in one of the leading consultancy firms in Georgia, using the skills that I have gained at this program. But I know, wherever I am in the future, I will always consider continuing studies for PhD degree here in Tartu again, and I encourage you to do the same. But first, get the master's degree in quantitative economics. Thank you.